Now again welcome students, and here I am going to give the proof of the next theorem, that is theorem 8.4. In the previous video I had explained and given the proof of the theorem 8.2 and 8.3. Now here it is the theorem 8.4, and according to the theorem you need to prove that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So here the statement is that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So if you are going to give the proof, here I have drawn the parallelogram ABCD, and what are the opposite angles here? Here angle B and angle D are the pair of opposite angles. So you need to prove that angle B equal to angle D. In the same way, angle A and angle C, these are the pair of the opposite angles. So you need to prove that angle A equal to angle C. So first you will draw the diagram. It is the parallelogram ABCD and it is the parallelogram. So here both pair of opposite sides are parallel also. It means AB and CD are parallel, as well as AD and BC are parallel. So here it is the statement of the theorem. Then you will write given, and you are given a parallelogram ABCD. Given a parallelogram ABCD. It is a parallelogram ABCD. Now what you are going to prove here? You need to prove that angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. You need to prove that angle A and angle C are equal, as well as angle B and angle D are equal. Now I am going to give the proof. So students, here AB and CD are parallel. You can find here if AB and CD are parallel, and if like this, AB and CD are parallel and one line, that is, suppose that here it is A, B, C, D. It is like that in the diagram. If you are going to match, I am going to draw this part of the diagram. So in the question it is given that AB and CD are parallel. Reason is that it is the parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel, and one line is intersecting. AD is intersecting these two parallel lines. So what type of these two angles are there? That are the co-interior angles. So their sum will be 180 degree. So here you will write, since AB parallel to CB and DA is a transversal. DA is a transversal. Then angle A equal to angle B, that is co-interior angles. In the short you can write CIA means co-interior angles. Now here angle A and angle D are equal. Now students, here AD and BC are also parallel. Since AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC, and AB is transversal. AB is a transversal. So if these two lines are parallel and this line is intersecting, so here angle A and angle B are the co-interior angle. It is like this. These two lines are parallel. This line is intersecting AB. So these two are the co-interior angles. So again their sum will be 180 degree. So here you can write then angle A. Sorry, here it will be angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Here you will write that will not be the equal, that are the co-interior angles. So their sum will be 180 degree. So angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree, that is co-interior angles. In the short you can write CIA, co-interior angles. Now here angle A and angle B, these are also the co-interior angles. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Again these are co-interior angles. Now make it equation 1 and equation 2. Now compare both the equation. In the equation 1, angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree, and equation 2, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So if in both the equation right hand side value is equal, it is 180 degree and it is also 180 degree. It means if right is equal, then left will be also equal. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2. You can write angle A plus angle D equal to angle A plus angle B. Here angle A and angle A both will be cancelled. So it shows that angle D equal to angle B. Angle D equal to angle B. So this part is here proved. Angle D equal to angle B. Now again I am going to give the proof of this first part. So firstly note down up to here, then I will give the proof of the next part. Similarly you can give the proof of the next part also. Here angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree, and here you can write angle D plus angle C, that is also equal to 180 degree. Here these two lines are parallel and one line is intersecting, so these are the co-interior angles. These are the co-interior angles. So their sum will be 180 degree. So again you can write angle B plus angle C. It is also equal to 180 degree. Again co-interior angle. Make it equation 3. Now compare both the equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1, the sum is 180. Equation 3, the sum is 180. So from equation 1 and 3, you can write angle A plus angle D equal to angle D plus angle C. Here angle D and angle D will be cancelled. It shows that angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C. So here angle A equal to angle C is proved, and here angle B equal to angle D is proved. So here both the parts are proved. It means in a parallelogram both pair of opposite angles are equal. So that is the complete proof of the theorem 8.4. So you need to write the proof of the theorem 8.4.